Alright, now I'm trying to get this money, man. We gotta get this plan. We gotta make this shit happen right, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't fuck shit up. Alright. Alright. Oh, damn.
After the heist takes place.
Oh shit, man. All because of cash. Fuck. Now I'm mashing on the gas. Left a nigga with a gash. This is worse than the last. Man, still chasing rainbows. Now I'm in the 8th position, feeling mad stressed. Stuck up on the mission, wishing I took a different route, drinking on Guinness stout. Man, the cops is coming, about to go to jail. Fuck that, I gotta be out. No time to chicken out. All I wanna see is my clout. Then I go digging out my honey, celebrating till she out.
But back to reality.
I got a fatality and this bitch bout to rat on me. Plus I got this gat on me. Blood splat on me. I fucked up his anatomy. This bitch is bout to rat on me. Plus I got this gat on me. Fuck